what's up? Welcome back to the How to Build Your Online Teaching Career course. Today I'm going to talk to you more about what this course is all about. I'm going to talk to you what you're going to be learning, how I'm going to teach it, and how you can benefit the most from these lessons. As you can see here, I've basically broken down this subject into 4 main topics: think, create, share, and build. Let me talk a little bit more about each of these topics. So think. In that section, we're going to be talking about developing the right mindset for teaching online. So before you even get into creating your courses and promoting them and trying to sell them, you have to be in the right mindset, and you have to have the right, just background and brainstorming sessions and support. And so through these lessons, I'm going to tell you basically how I have developed, the mindset of an online teacher, and how I got into it, and how you can best get into it with the right mindset. Create, in that section, it's going to be the nitty-gritty, making your very own online course. So if you've never created a course, I'm going to take you from the start to the finish of everything from camera choice, recording your screen, audio, putting together a nice presentation, coming up with right topics, coming up with topics that are going to sell, etc. After you've created your course, and even if you've already created online courses, this is still a great section for you because you'll see what has worked for me and maybe improve your own courses. In the next section, share, that's all about selling and promoting your course. So from the very beginning, I'm going to tell you how I started promoting and how I've gotten to the point that I am today, where if I launch a course, I'll have hundreds of new students within the first couple of weeks. And so this section is for those beginners who have never created a course before, or for those who are trying to sell courses that they've already made but might not have had too much success with them. The last section is probably the most important in creating a lasting sort of online career. So we're going to be talking about growing an audience that will give you your career teaching online. And so that's going to be more promotion tactics, but more specifically in regards to building an audience, and not so much about getting that first sale or that second sale. It's going to be about getting that audience that's going to give you your 100th and 1000th sale. So in each of these lessons, I'm basically going to give you my experience. And my experience is different than any other person's experience. It's unique to myself. And while I might have similar aspects to other teachers or other business people or other entrepreneurs, what I've done for myself is completely unique to me. And so I hope that it works for you. I believe if you follow all of these lessons and do what I tell you, you're going to have a great foundation for building an online teaching career. And to help you do that, in each of these lessons, I have an action item. This action item is an activity for you to do that I want you to do each and every lesson. So after the lesson's done, spend some time doing the action item. It might take 5 minutes, it might take a day or two, but just make sure that you're doing the action items, because if you're not doing the action items, this course isn't going to work for you. You need to take action now, and I'm here to help you do that. I'm very excited to have you in this course. I'm excited to teach you to think, to create, to share, and to build, and to have an online teaching career. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next lesson. Bye.